Good morning, class. Please remain standing for an opening prayer. Jeneline, please come in front to lead the prayer.
Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here, ever this day be at my side to right and guide, to rule and guide. Amen.
Thank you, Jeneline. Before you sit down, please kindly arrange your chair and pick up any trash that you can see on the floor. When everything is done, please be seated. Let me check your attendance first. Who is absent today? Very good. I'm happy that everyone is here. Please give yourself 3 claps. Before we begin to our new lesson, let's have some short recap on what you learned yesterday. Class, what is our topic all about? Yes, Francis. That's right. How friction and gravity affects the movements of an object. Yes, Leslie. Fabulous. Can you give me an example of how friction works? Yes, Rosemary. Great. How about how gravity works? Yes, Leona. Excellent. I'm happy that you still remember our last lesson. So before we start our new lesson, we're going to play a game. I have here a 4 envelope, and I will group you into 4. All you need to do is arrange the puzzle pieces inside the envelope. I will give you 1 minute to arrange the puzzle, and after that, you may put the picture on the board. Great job, class! Please give yourself a pick, pack, boom, clap. Do you know what is pick, pack, boom, clap? Okay, I will do it first, and after me, it is your turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pick, pack, boom. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pick, pack, boom. From the activity we did, what have you noticed based on the picture? Yes, Mika. That's right. There is a bell ringing. When do you usually hear the bell ringing? Yes, Ethel. Correct. What else? What have you noticed based on the pictures? Yes, Jonah Lee. You're right. The bird is producing a sound by singing. All your answer is correct. All the pictures that you can see is or can produce sound. Now class, let's play again. This game is called Guess the Words. All we need to do is identify every single word that relates to all pictures. Are you ready, class? Good job, class. Now, let's read all your answer. The first word is sound. The second word is travel. Third word is solid. The fourth word is liquid. And the fifth and the last word is gas. Do you know that all words that you answer is related to our lesson for today? Today, class, we're going to talk about how sound travel in solid, liquid, and in gas. But first, let us define what is the meaning of sound. Everyone, please read. Class, what is a type of energy made by vibration? Exactly right. When any object vibrates, it causes the movement of the air particles. Sound particles to vibrate and carry the sound. This sound is called Everyone, please read. Again, class, what are the types of mechanical wave that travels through mediums such as solid, liquid, and gas? Correct. Now, let us talk about how sound travels in solid. Rodeline, please read. Thank you. As you can see in this picture, the particles in solid are tightly packed together. That is why the sound travels faster in solid. Class, can you give me an example of solid materials that you can see in this room? Good example. Class, do you hear the sound coming from the table? That's correct, because sound can travel through solid materials. Now, let us find out how sound travels in liquid. Jenny, please read. Like in the picture, the particles in liquid are farther away. That is why the sound travel is lower in liquid than it does in solid. Class, do you think that we can hear sound through liquid? You're right. We can hear sound through liquid. That is why we can hear someone talking underwater, or we can hear the sound of a whale in the ocean. The sound vibration travels through the water to our ear. Now, let us talk about how sound travels in gas. Everyone, please read. Sound travel is slowest in gases compared to liquid and solid. Again, why does sound travel slowest in gases? Yes, Alexa. Very good. Class, can you clap your hands 3 times? Can you still hear the sound? You're right, this is how we hear the sound through gases. When you clap your hands, sound travels through your hands to your ears. Do you have any question, class? If you don't have any question, I will be the one who asks you a question. What do we call to the type of energy made by vibration? Amazing! What do we call to the type of sound wave that travels through a medium? Awesome! In what medium does sound travel the fastest? Correct! In what medium does sound travel the slowest? That's right! And lastly, in what or which state of matter the sound travel is lower in solid and faster in gas? That's right! You're doing a good job, class. Please give yourself a 3 claps. Okay, class, we're going to have a activity. And these are the materials. I will divide you into 3 groups. Group 1 will be the solid group. Group 2 will be the liquid group and group 3 will be the gas group. You will use these materials to answer the question. Just read the mechanics for you to answer the questions, and I will give you 5 minutes to do the activity. And after that, I will call each representative to present their answer. Are you ready, class? Good job, grade 4. Please give yourself a big back boom clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Big back boom. Now, please get a one cushion paper and a pen and answer these questions. Please read the direction carefully. In first part, write the fact the statement is correct and boom if it's not. Write your answer in the space before the number. And for the second part, draw a happy face if the statement is correct. If not, change the underlined words to make the statement correct. Are you done, class? You may pass your paper forward. For your assignment, draw 5 objects that produce loud sounds and 5 objects that produce soft sound. And that's it for today, class. Goodbye, class.